But let me hurry up, man, because I don't know what's out here. And it's very dark. And I don't need nothing to grab me, man. I'm precious cargo. What it do, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. It's the Kid Life with Junior. And we getting up out of here, man. We just topped off the tanks. We head north. The load that I picked up yesterday. Gonna try to get up, man. I'm leaving way later than I should. Man, I ate something last night. It had my stomach hurting this all today. And so hopefully I'm cool now. It's not really bothering me now. So we're gonna get on this road. It's already 6:47. I was supposed to leave at 2:30. So we headed north on 45. Then we're gonna jump on 35, take that into Oklahoma City, and then take that on over from there. But I would have been gone, man. Let me show y'all what I put in my truck for my iPad. Got that mount back there. Had some holes in there. I just tapped into those holes, and then it got the same kind of holes on the back. Here with some Loctite. It's pretty secure. I mean, it's gonna be giving me a little bit of bounce, but I'm cool with that, man. And it's right here within arm's reach. I can do everything I need to do. Got the this my ELD. I got 10 hours and 48 minutes of driving left with 13 hours and 16 minutes on my shift, and that's how much time I got before I need to take my break. I got 29 hours and 15 minutes left in my week, in my cycle, before I gotta sit down for 34 hours. So we ain't really worried about that, because DOT inspections start Tuesday, man. The blitz start Tuesday. I plan on being at home tomorrow night. Go up to Oklahoma, drop, see if I can find 1 or 2 vehicles to bring back. If I can't, then it is what it is, man. So that's what we gonna do, man. But let me put this camera down. We're about to go over here, jump on the Beltway, then we're gonna shoot around here to 45, head north toward Dallas, man. Let's get it, baby. Let's go. out here riding and sliding, man. Crazy thing is, I was talking dang near the whole time that I was in traffic. There was an accident back there. Some cars slid, looked like. I don't really know. I can't really tell you exact, but don't look like nobody was too severely hurt. But it looked like it was some things that went happen. It looked like it was about 5 cars. But my time had pushed all the way up to me to my arrival time. It went to 3:50. Now since I'm rolling again, it then dropped down to 3:23. When I first started, my arrival time was like 2 something. So it looked like I had lost me a good little, at least 30 minutes, 30, 35. I was in that traffic almost 35 minutes. So, cause I think it was about 35, 40 minutes. So we done lost some time, man. We really ain't about to try to make too much up. And I'm not about to be out here flying in this rain, cause that's probably how they got in the accident. So we just gonna slow poke it out here, man. Tiptoe. We dancing in the rain and get on about our business, man. But and it's lightning. It's about to start. It's more rain north than it is south. Cause I looked at the radar. Unless it then broke up a little bit, it was more rain up here than it was down by Houston. It really wasn't raining down in Houston when I left. North Houston was north. But let me look. Yeah, I'm about to go through rain probably about the next 30 minutes, 20 minutes or so. And we're gonna slide out, man, but we're gonna keep this journey going. I got probably about 6 hours and 8 minutes left, and they say we'll get there at 3:23 a.m. 430 miles, man. We probably ain't about to drive all that. I wanted to get there early. I left late, then we ran into this, and no sir, I don't think I'm gonna be driving till no 4 o'clock. I just don't see it. So we're gonna keep it moving. We're gonna see where I'm gonna shut it down, and we're gonna go from there, man. It was kind of my fault, but it was kind of their fault and kind of Mother Nature fault. But hey, it is what it is. What up, man? So we just touched down in Wilmer, Texas. I wasn't gonna stop here. I was gonna stop on the other side of the freeway. I did cross the freeway, come over here to the QT, man. Fuel where I was gonna stop at the other QT is $3.39. Fuel here is $3.18. You gotta use that app and use your brain, man. So me topping it off here, I'll probably put about $175 in here now. That'll probably put me on full. That's gonna take me to Oklahoma and back here. And then from here, I'll probably put another $175 in, and that'll take me home back to the house, man. I won't have to put no more fuel in. So we're gonna top this off. We're gonna go in there, get us a refresh in. We're gonna check the straps, and then, man, we back on the highway. Right now it is 10:57. Hopefully we can have all this done at least by 11:15 and keep it pushing, man. Gotta clean the windows and stuff too, man. The windshield pretty cool. I need to get my truck washed, but I need to hit the mirrors and my windows, the side windows. So always keep your little Windex in here, man. I get this from the dollar store. You know, you don't need nothing over expensive. It do the same thing. So let me get out. Oh my gosh. Get out and pump this gas right quick, man. Hurry up and get back in this truck, man. This truck's parked everywhere over here, man. It's like, this is stupid, but it's QT, man. What else do you expect? It ain't a lot of pumps working, and it ain't a lot of parking. So let's get in and get out. Alright. We didn't even fill it up. I mean, it didn't take the whole 175. So let's go check these straps and get on about our business, man. This place packed. Look. Ugh. Look at that strap. Look loose. Ugh. And the other strap, the other side came up. Everything a couple of little snatches right quick. That one's pretty cool. All these still on. It look like all these rear ones still on. They tight too. What the hell is he doing? All these on this back one, lovely. Well, not this one. So, yeah, man, I'm gonna go make sure the rest of these straps is tight. We're gonna run in this store right quick, do what we need to do. This one's still tight. This one came off. That one came off. That happened. That's why you gotta check your load, baby. Gotta check the load. But that's why I put so many straps on these, man. These things big. I don't want no kind of sway when I'm trying to stop. I want it to sit stout. So that's why we did it. You gotta put a little in these. This shoot. God dang finger hurt. So yeah, everything back tight. I'm not moving up because shoot, I'm the only one at a pump. So they got all them pumps available. got these 2 pumps available. So we not moving. Don't be like me, man. Don't act like me. Don't be like me. Move up when you go to fuel stations. But let me go on, junk, come in here, do what I need to do, man, and get on up out of here. What up, man? And I don't know what's wrong with this damn ELD again, bruh. The other day it just disconnected out of the blue, and now it's like, look, I got 8 hours and 44 minutes of driving, and it went back to I got 8 hours till my break. I don't know what's going on. Earlier, it did that when I was in that traffic. I was stopping and going, and it just stayed on duty. So I don't know, man. But I'm about to get up out of here, and hopefully it start acting right, correct itself or something. So we'll see, man. If not, I'm gonna have to stop and call them people. And I don't even know if they 24 hours. I don't even think they are. So it's like I'll be wasting my time, or I gotta break out that book. Y'all can't even see it now. But yeah, I don't understand. It just did that in the midst. I guess it did that because I was driving. So let me get up out of here, man. 'Cause I don't want to talk. It's like somebody trying to walk over here. All right. I ain't even turned the camera off. Whoa, baby. What up, man? So we in downtown, which I was just in Wilmer. That's like on the outskirts of Dallas. We're about to go underneath in this little, whatever you want to call it. It ain't an actual tunnel. It's just a little breezeway. Then we gonna get on 35, man. 35 gonna take us all the way to Oklahoma City. Let's hope these scales ain't open. Let's hope they trying to get a reset in before, oh Lord Jesus, before the blitz happens. But 2 states I know for sure that scales always open, and that's Oklahoma and Florida, man. Them boogers always open. So I ain't tripping if they open. It is what it is. We got a straight load, man. 2 trucks. You know, they kind of heavy, but we got them situated on the trailer pretty swell, so we ain't worried about being overweight nowhere. We just rocking. Big girl doing her job like she always do. So I guess you can call this it's kind of low key, remind me of Atlanta when you go underneath the airport, but we going underneath downtown. And the one underneath the airport, way taller, it's bigger. But it kind of got like the same vibe to it with the lights. And then you're underneath something, so. We got a hard right turn, man. I'm gonna have to slow this booger all the way down by 25 if I'm not mistaken. That's the suggested speed going around this curve. This sun gun is crazy. Might be a little, I don't know what it is. It might be 25, 35. I don't know what it is, and I'm slowing the hell down. It's 30. Houston don't got nothing like this. San Antonio got or something like this. When I be going to my mama's house, it's like a curve. I'm like, man, why this sun going so steep and morning. Hold on, my fault, people. My fault. You get in my lane. I stays in my lane, baby. I don't give a about nobody else's business. That's how I stay out of drama, man. I stay in my lane. I don't even care to hear about other people's business. You know, no disrespect or nothing, but I really don't care to hear about other people's business. I don't care about your relationship business. I don't care about nothing. I care about how I'm trying to better myself, man. So we're going to jump over one lane. We're going to roll this. Then we're going to have a left and then a right. And then we boogieing north on 35, man. Trying to get to the state line. Heading toward Denton. Look how nice it is, man. No traffic. I know I hit that traffic back there. It was an accident. This is why I love traveling at night. Sundays at night. You know, it's cool. It's nothing. It was a little traffic. It's Mother's Day weekend. People going home. You know, they had to go see Ma Dukes and stuff. But it's no traffic. And it'd be even less traffic on Sundays going east. Like, them people from Texas go to New Orleans. You know, New Orleans people don't come here as often. So it don't be as much traffic going back that way. Baton Rouge, Lake Charles, Lafayette, don't be as much. All that traffic be coming this way, but oh Lord Jesus. I'm sitting here trying to hold this coffee, which I shouldn't be drinking. I didn't burn my tongue already, but we vibing. But yeah, man, I wanted to show y'all that freeway deal. I'm pretty sure most of y'all done seen it, especially people who live in Texas, live in Dallas area. You done seen that little shindig before, but man, I just wanted to show y'all right quick, man. We gonna proceed to hammer down going north on 35, man. And we probably got one more stop in us, probably right. Maybe when I cross the state line, I'm probably gonna stop, you know, pull over, check everything over, and then we probably got like 7 miles, then we'll be at the scale. And then shoot, we hammered down again, you know, trying to get to Oklahoma City. So catch back up with y'all. Oh my God, no fail. Whoa. What up, man? So we about to go into Oklahoma, man. We looking at 138 miles to get to Oklahoma City. And then once I get to Oklahoma City, I'm gonna jump on Highway 4T headed west towards Amarillo. And then I believe after that I got like 47 miles to go. So that's how it's gonna be looking, man. But we gonna keep putting these miles in right now though. Ain't nothing going on, man. I'm just vibing. It's getting cool out here. Tomorrow, it was supposed to rain today, so I guess I didn't really check the percentages, but I know it's supposed to rain tomorrow. I ain't checked the percentages then either. I think it's not supposed to start raining until about noon though. So, hey, I'll be okay in a pretty decent situation as far as even if I was able to pick something up, hopefully I'll be able to pick it up early, but I've been looking at the board and I haven't seen nothing. And like I said, man, I'm really not trying to play around a lot because I really don't want to be delivering nothing Tuesday, but if I can make some money, man, I'll make it work. As long as it's delivering on the north side, I wouldn't have to go really on the freeway or nothing if I ain't have to, if I don't want to. So we gonna figure something out, man. If we can make some money, we gonna make it. But if we can't, we just gonna keep it pushing and head back to Houston tomorrow. If I get there at 4, I can't really start doing that until about 2 o'clock. And I would, like I said before, I start driving south, but I wouldn't go all the way into Dallas till after the traffic time. Cause that'll put me there right around traffic time. If I left at 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, yeah, like 4 hours, that's 6 o'clock. So I'll be going into all that traffic. Nah, I'm cool on all that. So yeah, I'll just stop north of Dallas, chill for a few hours, and then I'll proceed from there. It ain't nothing to do. So we're going to Oklahoma right now, man. Welcome to Oklahoma. If you've never been here, you came here with me. You know what I'm saying? I brought you your first time into Oklahoma. Remember that. So we got 127 miles till we hit Highway 40. We gonna ride it out, man. I haven't even checked to see if the scale was open, because in my head it's open. Normally when I get close to one, I'll just check. So I think, I can't remember how far that scale is, but it's a little ways in. I think it's like 20 something. Exit 20 something, if I'm not mistaken, because it used to be closer. I'm trying to remember which way this is though, man. I be getting confused sometimes. I get confused on this way in Tulsa going to those. Okay, we coming up on this hotel. I really wanted to come to this hotel, man. I had forgot about it until a few nights ago. I was watching a basketball game, the Mavericks, and I seen this hotel on their actual, I guess they were like a sponsor or something. What is it called again? WinStar Resorts. So it looked like a cool little spot. You can come, just to hang out. It don't like it's nothing to do around here. So if you was just trying to get some R&R, man, why is there so many people over? Man, it's 12 o'clock, 12:50 is 1 o'clock. There's a lot of people on the roads over there. But it looked like somewhere you can go chill. Like if you and your significant other wanted to get somewhere and it's just y'all, get that R&R, just time with y'all too. That like somewhere you can go and just hang out, chill. I like places like that, because that's why I like cruising, because you don't really have to rush to do nothing. And if you go somewhere like this, it ain't nothing to do around here, so you just gonna chill there. Get that QT with each other, man. Bond a little bit. So WinStar. I think it's resort. I don't know, I only see that sign right there where it's talking about the spot. Pretty big though, and a couple times I came by here, I seen they even got spots for semis to park. Cause I seen semis over there, and they got campers. They got campers over there too. So yeah. So I'll see y'all in a minute, man. We still on track. That stop for fuel, that pushed me back, man. It got me 4:22. That little time I said I was supposed to get to the spot. We got 3 hours and 30 minutes, 239 miles to go. Man, this is very surprising. I'm talking like, hold on, man, the mic ain't kicking in. Yeah, it's very surprising, man, that this scale is closed. I don't know hey, I'm not mad, but I don't know when the last time I've been through this scale and it wasn't open. Cause man, I used to come through here all the time when I used to go from Laredo up to Iowa, I never went this way to Michigan. You go the other way, but yeah, going to Iowa, you go this way, man. I ain't never been through here and this scale haven't been open. But hey, it is what it is. We gonna keep it pushing. That's a blessing. Hey, anytime we can go by a scale and get the green light, that's lovely. Don't gotta stop on the scale just for them to let us go. That's a waste of time. So we gonna keep on pushing, man. We still rocking it out. What exit was that? It was 15. So it's between 14 and 15. So I thought it was 20. So we're gonna keep it pushing. What up, man? I just made it here. Man, it is dark out here, bruh. Yeah, boy, it's dark. I hope it ain't nothing out here. Jesus. Man, I'm gonna offload this stuff right quick though. And I'm gonna climb in that bed, try to give me at least about an hour before old buddy get here. So he told me I can park over here. So let me hurry up, man, get this stuff off me. Hurry up before it start raining or something again too. Whew. That stuff got dirty, boy. It got dirty on that back road. Ugh, I'm sitting right above all that water. Hope I don't have to get in it on the other side. But let me hurry up, man, because I don't know what's out here. And it's very dark. And I don't need nothing to grab me, man. I'm precious cargo.